Another day, another cue, the whole place slowing down. Blue lights flashing, sirens crying through the haze. Police, fire, ambulance, just part of every day. Oh, it's the loose road blues, where the engines roar. Boy, racers revving hard like they're chasing down a score. And just when you think the road might finally break through, here come the monthly roadworks, painting everything anew. Brake lights glowing red like a never-ending line. Locals swap the same old joke, maybe moving's by design. But still we push on forward, though we never move too far, drowning in the echoes of another speeding car. Yeah, the loose road blues, where the chaos never ends. Sirens sing the soundtrack that the whole town knows by heart, my friend. And every fresh diversion feels like deja vu, just living with the roadworks and the loose road blues. One day it'll clear, at least that's what we say, till the sirens start their chorus and the racers come to play. Blues keeps on rolling, though we're stuck inside the queues, singing the same old